Hello there and welcome back for my videos. In this video we want to speak about PowerShell, and I will show how you can create OpenSSH on your Windows 2090 server. I have one video for the previous Windows server for 2060, but it's much easier now to install it on the new Windows server. So let's go ahead, and the first we want to see about how it's the Windows compatibility. So we want to say Windows and here, and then we want to search online, and then we want to ask for the name where it's like OpenSSH and everything after. Then we are searching for that, and you can see it here. So let's copy this and put it up in our PS1 file. Now we want to install the client and the server. So let's go ahead and say add Windows compatibility and say online, and then the name, and then the client here. And we want to edit. Until it's done, we just copy this up and we copy the next line for the server, because that's what we want here, and we have the server here. Now it's done, so let's copy the next line here for the server and paste it inside and make it ready to install. And we're just waiting one more time until this is done. So when it's done to install the OpenSSH server, then we need to start the service. So let's create it here, start service, and say SSHD, copy the lines and paste it down to the terminal. Now the service is started. So we need to say every time we reboot our server, we want to be sure SSH is boot up. So that's what we want now. We need to set service, and for the service we need the name called SSHD, and then we need to say startup. The type should be automatic. Copy this and paste it inside, and then we are ready. And the last one we want to see about is the firewall rule is set. So let's say that get net firewall, the rule here, and see something is ending on SSH. Copy this inside, and you can see the rule here is correctly insets. But if something is going wrong, we can do it ourselves. So I will just type it down here. I will not use it because the firewall already is there. So firewall rule here, and we say name SSHD, and display name should be OpenSSH server, and we want to enable true, and direction should be inbound, and then we want the protocol should be TCP, and the action should be allow, and the local port number should be 22. And if you take this line and put it inside to the firewall, then you will add a new rule for the firewall. That's it. Let's testing it. Say SSH, the administrator, say this is my IP address, and then I have the wrong username. Perfect. and then we are in and see the desktop, and then we can see the new file. If we go in and minimize this and create a folder here, make a test and make a new file inside called demo, come back to the client and say cd test, and we can see demo here. So this basically working, and that's how you install the SSH on your server. But one more thing before we are finished here, I will show how you can uninstall the service again if you don't need it anymore. What you can do is just say remove and say Windows here and say online name, and then copy this name and copy this down. And if you copy this two lines of code inside your terminal on your PowerShell, then you will remove the client and the server. Client using to connect for like Linux servers, and the servers using for other people out there, like Linux server can connect for the Windows server, or your Windows 10 or something like that can connect from the terminal. Thank you so much, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will paste the code on my GitHub project, what's called PowerShell. And then you have 3 files, one for firewall and one for installing of the OpenSSH, and the last one to remove the OpenSSH again. Thank you so much, and remember to pull down for the comments if you have any questions. I will try to answer them as fast as possible, and give it a like if you like it, and share it with your friends so they know how to install OpenSSH server and client on a Windows 2090 server. Thank you so much.